Welcome to Spyder. Today we're making a headlight installation video on this 2020 Chevy Silverado 2500. Tools needed for the installation is a 1/4 screwdriver, T15 Torx, T20 Torx, 1/4 ratchet, 10mm socket, 7mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, panel popper, pliers, flashlight, and some masking tape. Now let's get started. First step, we'll start at the front passenger side wheel. We're going to remove 3 T15 screws. After removing the screws, we're going to peel open the liner. Next step, you want to unclip the fender flare up to here, which is secured by 4 retainer clips. So you're just going to reach in and pinch the retainer clip and release as you go. So that's 1, then there's 2, that's number 3, and that's number 4. Next step, we're going to open this flare up and access this 7mm bolt. I'm going to remove it. After removing the bolt, we're going to unclip this piece. So there's a retainer clip here, 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 and here. And it's also clipped in here. So go ahead and carefully unclip it. Now repeat the same process on the driver's side. Okay, go ahead and open up your hood. I'm going to remove the lever to the hood latch. So I'm going to remove 2 T15 screws. Slide the lever off. Next, we're going to remove 9 push pins securing the radiator shroud. Next, remove the radiator shroud. And then from here, remove 4 10mm bolts securing the top of the grille. Okay, remove 2 10mm bolts, 1 on each side. Next, we're going to unclip the grille. So we're going to start by lifting up on the top and unclipping. Remove 6 10mm bolts securing the headlight. So go ahead and grab your panel popper, lift up on the top tab, carefully unseat your headlight. Disconnect your harness from the assembly, and then carefully slide back the red clip of the connector to unlock it. Press down on the tab, disconnect. Before installing our new headlight, we need to transfer a few things over. We need to transfer over this bottom bracket. So I'm going to remove 2 T20 screws. And we also have to transfer these 2 pieces over. The grill clips into place here. So I'm going to remove 4 T15 screws. So this is the top piece, and this is the bottom piece. Bring over your new Spyder headlight. Go ahead and install the bottom piece to the bottom. And the top piece to the top. And reinstall 4 T20 screws. And now reinstall the bottom bracket along with the T20 screws. Now we're ready to install our headlight. Bring in your new Spyder headlight, turn it to the back, plug in your headlight. Make sure it's clipped in all the way. Slide down the red clip to lock it in place. Carefully seat your headlight. Reinstall 6 10mm bolts securing the headlight. Now repeat the same process on the driver's side. You're going to reinstall your grill. Reinstall the 2 10mm bolts securing the bottom of the grill. Carefully reinstall the body panel. Moving back to the front passenger side wheel, we're going to reinstall the 7mm bolt securing the side of the body panel. Okay, go to reinstall your liner first. And then clip your fender flare back into place. Next, you're going to reinstall your 3 T15 screws. Now repeat the same process on the driver's side. Reinstall the 4 10mm bolts, securing the top of the grille. Reinstall your radiator shroud. Reinstall the 9 push pins. And reinstall the lever to your hood latch and the T15 screws. Now we're ready to test the headlight functions.